Alright y'all, so y'all already know what time it is when I have the wig cap on. That's right, we got a wig review again today. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Outre melted hairline wig Constanza. Is a curly unit. I have not done a long curly unit in a while, so y'all already know I'm excited, and I did pick her up in the color Butter Pecan, and that is like a light golden honey brown color. So I'm super duper excited because y'all, I'm trying to give Beyonce vibes with this look today. So we're just gonna go right into it and unbox her. Y'all, here is a close-up of the stock card of Constanza. She does come in a variety of different colors. You can get her in maple brown, almond spice, red velvet, butter pecan, sandy blonde, and ginger brown. She does also come in natural colors such as 1B, 1B30, and 2 as well. And y'all, I'm excited because y'all already know, if y'all have not seen any wigs from the Outre melted hairline series, stop what you're doing. First of all, stop what you're doing and make sure that you hit subscribe and thumbs this video up. But yes, make sure that you also check out the other Outre melted hairline wigs that I have on my channel, because you guys, you will not be disappointed. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and get into the construction of Miss Constanza. So she does have lace from ear to ear. She does have a lace part. It's kind of curved, so I am going to shift this part for you guys to see if she can be worn in a middle part without actually changing the parting. She also does have 2 combs right here in the front of the wig, and we also have a comb in the nape section as well, along with adjustable straps. And she also does have a handy dandy elastic band. The elastic band, you guys, has been my favorite thing about this Outre melted hairline series. I'm telling you, if you want to wear a glueless wig, this is definitely the way to go. So I'm just gonna go ahead and slide her on real quick, see what she's given before we actually get into the install for today. So we do have some baby hairs already on this unit right here in the front. It does look like they tried to pre-pluck this one as well, so it's not super dense right here in the front. And let's look at this side as well. So pretty much they only gave us baby hairs on this side, and on this side we don't have any. This side does look a little bit more dense than the other side. I'm guessing because they feel like this side is going to show more. So I might have to go in and just do a little bit just to make this hairline look a little bit more realistic. But yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and get into the customization of this unit. y'all, so here are the final results of Miss Constanza. You guys, I am really feeling her. She's definitely giving me tropical island vibes, Beyonce vibes. Like, I am just loving this color and this curl pattern on this unit. So I'm just gonna go ahead and jump into all of the pros of the Outre Multi Hairline Wig Constanza. Number one pro is definitely the color. You guys, I was a little skeptical. Y'all saw me in the beginning. I was just like, oh my gosh, she is super duper blonde. But after I had her on and applied her and got my makeup on, I'm just really loving the color. Like you guys saw in the video, I did use my Got To Be Free spray. And when I got to the sideburns, I actually pulled the wig a little bit more forward than normal today, and I used the Got To Be gel. So that's what helped me lay this wig down. In addition to that elastic band, like you guys, that elastic band works wonders, not even just for your human hair wigs, but for your synthetic wigs as well. And y'all, look at me rambling all over the place. So anyways, back to the cons of this wig. So of course, the color is amazing, the lace is amazing, the density of the wig is pretty good as well. For it to be a curly unit, it doesn't feel heavy, but it is nice and full. I did cut a little bit of layers in the front, not too much, but just a little bit to kind of frame the side part. You can shift this wig to a middle part as well, so that is another pro for this wig. You definitely can wear it multiple ways. I think I actually am going to prefer wearing this unit in a side part versus in the middle. And another pro to this unit is definitely the length. It is pretty long, so if you are looking for something affordable with some length to it, I definitely would check out this unit. Also, another thing that I like about this unit is the security. So even if you did not do all of the free spray that I used today, you can just simply put your combs in and use the adjustable straps along with the headband, the elastic band as well, to secure this wig in place. But as you all can see, we're not going anywhere at all. The only con that I have about the Outre Multi Hairline Wig Constanza is the fact that it is starting to frizz up a little bit, which is expected just because it is a curly unit, and it is tangling and shutting a little bit towards the end. But I'm not combing or brushing through it. I'm literally just wearing the wig how it is straight out the box. But I definitely would suggest keeping some mousse handy and a wide tooth comb for the ends. Just want to give you guys a close-up of the ends a little bit. It's not super duper bad, but all you guys, I would have to give Miss Constanza a 9 out of 10. And the only reason why I'm giving her a 9 out of 10 is because of the tangling and the shutting. But other than that, she really is a 10 in my eyes. I really do love how easy this wig was to apply. I love how natural the color looks. That is all that I have to say about the Outre Multi Hairline Wig Constanza. I really do hope that you guys enjoyed this wig review and learned something new. As always, do not forget to drop me a comment down below of your thoughts on this unit. If you have tried it yourself, please let me know in the comments. You guys, I want to talk to you guys and hear you guys' thoughts and opinions. And most importantly, do not forget to thumbs this video up and share with your friends, so that way we all can be fabulous together. And you guys already know what to do. Remember to stay beautiful, stay blessed, stay safe, and stay poppin'. And I will catch y'all in my next video. Bye.